What does best life mean to you? Is it simply a term that means you are having fun, or is it something more? For us, best life is a mission, an imperative. It drives us to cherish every moment and appreciate what we have. It reminds us that time is everything, something that we cannot take for granted. Draws us to enjoy each moment, every shared experience, every opportunity. It says, enjoy the life you have and make the most of it today. Join us as we share our experiences and help you to prepare to get out there and chase your own adventures. Only you can decide what best life means for you. For us, well, we do everything together, and that's what best life means to us.
I can do it. You can do it too. Believe in yourself. Don't give up.